First of all, thank you so much. It feels great to be here. How has my journey been? It's been magical because a lot of hard work and energy has gone into the process, and to realize that I am finally here living this moment is a great feeling. It was mostly my curiosity driving me. I've always loved challenges. I love looking for new ways to push myself mentally and physically. And that way, I think Miss India was that perfect platform for me to not only learn more about myself, but also look for ways in which I can give back to society. And so it's the mixture of the two which brought me in the direction of Miss India. A lot of challenges. I think this had a lot of ups and downs, of course, as any other journey. And there was, of course, I had to there was a balancing act back at home because my family wasn't as supportive initially of my decision. Now, of course, things have changed. They're all my cheerleaders, but I faced a little bit of a challenge there. And I come from a very academic-oriented family, so I wasn't very well versed in the glitz and glamour side of this competition because there's a good balance of your physical grooming as well as your mental stability, right? So I think there was a lot of time and energy that I spent in these two aspects. Well, it wasn't one moment that decided it all. I think it was a very slow decision that I took because I had a lot of friends pushing me, saying, go for it, we know you have it. And then, of course, there were lots of signboards around me saying, apply now. It felt like the universe was giving me a sign saying, why don't you just go ahead and give it a shot? And so I went ahead, applied, and now when I look back, I am so glad that I did because this has been so transformative. Well, I haven't gotten the chance to go back home yet. I was crowned only 2 days back, so I haven't had the chance. I only got to do a video call with them, which was great. They were all ecstatic. I was so happy, especially seeing my Dadi Ma, because she was mostly against my journey, but seeing the happiness on her face, of course, helped me feel very happy in that moment and share this special thing with them. But then again, as far as meeting my family is concerned, we have a homecoming coming up. I will be going back to Hyderabad on the 16th, and I can't wait to go back, meet everybody, and share this very special beginning with them. There was a little bit of duk-duk, but I was also very peaceful, to be honest, because I knew that at the end of the day, I did everything that I could to prepare myself and be the best version of myself. And so by the end of it, all I could do was surrender and let things take its course. So on stage as well, I felt very peaceful, and I think that peace is what helped me win by the end of it. Well, I think pageants in general have created so many inspirational figures, right? Every winner has made her mark in her respective profession. I've always looked up to Priyanka Chopra, Sushmita Sen, Aishwarya Rai. They're all great women. But even apart from them, I think if we look at the past winners, there's just something to learn from each one of them. And the biggest thing, of course, has to be the fact that we are the creators of our own destiny. We choose what we want to do with our lives. And it is with that feeling I wish to write into the next chapter of my life. Well, I'm an explorer. I love new opportunities, new chances to try something new. And if there's something very interesting that comes along the way, I'm sure I will be interested to take it up. But right now, my focus is entirely on the next leg of my journey, which is the Miss World competition. It's a huge responsibility. I'm representing the country on an international platform, and I want to be able to do my best. So all my dhyan is on that. So the preparation will start in a couple of days from now after the homecoming. Once the excitement dies down, that's when the serious work starts. I'm sure I'll be focusing a lot on my mental and physical aspects, fitness-wise, question and answer-wise, my purpose project. That is the most important part of the Miss World pageant, where I can spend a lot of time working on a cause that I hold close to my heart. And that is what I look forward to most. So we were asked 2 questions on stage. It would be nice if you caught the show, which will be aired on Colors HD on the 28th of this month. It will be aired at 12 p.m. and 5 p.m. You could definitely check out what I said at that point, but if you would like to know right now, the final question that all of us were asked on stage is, what is the difference between spirituality and religion? Do you consider yourself a spiritual person or a religious person? That. Sorry, that's so.
That's so confusing. Actually, the question is so like.
It's a vague question, and but that's the best part about these pageant questions, right? When you're asked something, all you have to do is what your heart feels. There's no right or wrong. Finally, what matters is what you think about it, and that's just the best way to tackle any of these questions.
Very easy. You're the winner of Miss India. And
Thank you.
hope you will be the winner of Miss World also, and will
Thank
make
you.
us proud.
Thank you. That is the plan. I am going to pour myself into this journey, and with so much passion, I hope I make it there. Yes.